How are we doing, folks? James Barr here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 211D BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport. It's an absolutely phenomenal looking car, and let's take a quick look around her. She has the blacked out BMW kidney grille, the M Sport front bumper with parking sensors, the front LED headlights. Come around to the side, you have the blacked out alloys on run flat tyres with the blue M Sport brake pads, the M Sport badging on the side, the black trim surrounding the windows, the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top, the BMW 330i badging, the rear spoiler, the rear LED taillights. You have the twin exhausts. Now this is the M Sport Pro Plus pack, so the exhausts sound incredible. You have the rear parking camera and the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360 degree parking view. Also on board this 330i is the automatic trunk. Just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. And to close the trunk, it's just a tap of the button up there. Now this is an absolutely stunning car that will definitely turn some heads. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 330i. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the fully digital, the fully digital cockpit display with the multifunctional BMW paddle shift steering wheel that also allows it to be heated. You have the heads-up display, the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen, or you can also control it by the BMW iDrive system. This allows you to quickly access features such as maps, media, enhanced Bluetooth, connective drive, and many other extras. The interior comes in a Fiona red individual leather, surrounded by a black trim. Fully electric windows, heated seats, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, all on board. You have the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system. You can also access the interior ambient lighting. Right now it's in kind of an orange color. You have the Harman Kardon upgraded sound system, collapsible mirrors, the BMW M Sport stitched seatbelts. You can also access the sports mode, the comfort mode, the Eco Pro mode. You have the electric handbrake and many other extras on board this 330i. Now, folks, that's just a quick look around this BMW 3 Series 330i M Sport. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Parr, and I hope you enjoyed this video.